Alright, so as we are doing electrical right now, we are organizing all the cables, putting everything where it's supposed to be, doing all the right connections and tie-ups, because from this point forward it's all about finishing with the thermostat, and this area will be ready. So we're moving ahead by consolidating all the pending connections that need to take place, and by doing so we're making sure that everything it's ready to go. So we're happy to do this, and we'll continue further with more updates with you guys later on. Progress continues. We're basically having everything connected all the way until we can. So we're gonna buy more connections just to be ready, and we're gonna drill and connect the pending cable here just to have this finalized and ready to go. As you guys can see, we have done a lot of cable management and organizing, so everything looks organized and good. It's time to go get more materials, get some lunch. The electrical work continues. Once again, we're just making sure that we put everything together in an organized way so we can do this. It's been challenging, but we're getting there. Alright, we just finished the entire driver's side electrical reorganization, and it's looking better than ever. So we're gonna continue further on the other side now, on the passenger side, to connect this and the refrigerator light, and that is gonna be our accomplishment for today. So we're really excited. We're working, we're making it happen, and we'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. We just fixed the lock, and we add cushions, so when the door is locked and the RV is in motion, it don't vibrate. We did that in all the doors, and the difference is huge. And you close, every door is put, and nothing vibrates. So I'm very certain that when I'm on the road, there will be no noise. So I have to do the closet door, which is the last one, and the two cabinets in the back. I'm gonna put those door stoppers, and we'll see. There's some areas, there's other areas that also need, so I will be doing that. I will be adding all around, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. These little silicone door stoppers are making the RV to become absolutely silent, so no door will be rattling while we're driving. So I'm going to keep adding on the closet door and on these two. And that will let us know these doors are very solid, not rattling. This one does. This one doesn't. So we're gonna put in this one and then this one. So let me continue.